Hiya, in this video I'll be making some chocolate covered popcorn. It's just a super really easy treat to make. So it doesn't take long at all as well. So I've got a pan, medium heat, a little bit of oil in there. I'm gonna put about 3 corn kernels in there. I'm gonna wait for them to pop so I know the oil is ready. That's what happens if you don't put a lid on. So make sure you put a lid on. I didn't realise they were gonna pop up that quickly. That's why I didn't have it on before. Made me jump. So once they pop, you know it's ready, you take it off the heat for 30 seconds, pop it back on, and then add the other kernels. Now, how many I used here was actually a bit too much because it literally filled the pan. I thought it was going to overflow at one point, but luckily it didn't. So you want to shimmy them around a bit every so often, and then they're going to start popping. And then they get quicker and quicker and quicker, then they slow back down. Once you stop hearing them popped, they're all done. Then you can pop them into a bowl once they're all done, and now I'm going to do the chocolate part. So I'm pretty much just going to melt chocolate and cover them. So I'm going to do it like the double boil way of melting chocolate. Obviously do it however you like. And then I'm going to add the popcorn to the chocolate because I'm not going to do them all in chocolate. I'm going to cover some in candy melts and also white chocolate. I do want to make some with loads of different coloured candy melts because I think that'll look pretty. But so basically you just mix it around until they're all covered. Like this. You want a nice coating of them. You want a grease-proof paper on some baking tray. On a baking tray. We're going to tip these out and then we're going to spread them out so there's a nice thin layer of them. Obviously depending on how much you do. They might be quite thick, but basically you want to spread it around so they're not all clumped on top of each other. Then we're going to pop this in the fridge until it sets. It doesn't take that long at all. Once it's set, you can then break it all up into individual pieces and put them in a jar or a bowl, and they're ready to eat. So make a really nice little snack. Like I say, you can use candy melts and other chocolates and things to create a different look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!